Tips on labeling addendums. Stay tuned to hear more. When you're writing addendums in real estate, you should always label and name the addendum to the topic of the addendum. Take a look at beautiful Deschutes River behind me. Let's get started. As a realtor, we're constantly writing addendums all the way through the end of the transaction. When you do label the addendum, it's important to label it to the topic of your addendum. Here's a few examples. You're doing a credit addendum. Label the addendum credit or CR1 as an example. Next example, you're doing a closing extension on the date. Label the addendum closing or CL1. Oftentimes, you'll see new agents and even experienced agents label the addendums A, B, C, D, etc. and 1, 2, 3, 4, all in sequential order. The issue with this is underwriters sometimes want to see all of the addendums. If you write an addendum A, B, C, and D, and you don't want the lender to see addendum C, you're going to fall into a problem because they're going to want to see all the addendums in the sequential order. I'll be also sharing this with you in the description box, several different examples. Once again, this is Ken Mucha, buyer specialist, Team Birtola High Desert Realty, coming to you with the Deschutes River right behind me. Thanks again for watching. To follow me, simply follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my YouTube accounts. Thanks again, and have an awesome day.